तमिलनाडु की जनता जो है उसके दिमाग में क्या कुछ है, क्या उनके की इश्यूज हैं, क्या वो दिमाग में रखेंगे और अपना वोट कास्ट करने जाएंगे। दीपाली, मैं आपके पास आना चाहूंगी और जानना चाहूंगी कि ये जो तमिलनाडु के की इश्यूज हैं उस पर भी हम बात करेंगे, और इससे पहले ये तस्वीरें भी तमिलनाडु से ही आ रही है, आपको बता दें।
முக்கியமா இது மட்டும்
तो बिल्कुल तमिलनाडु में भी आपको बता दें, ये तस्वीरें भी सामने आ रही थी। जो बड़े नेतागण हैं वो वोट डालने सुबह ही जा रहे हैं, और जिस तरीके से आपसे चर्चा मैं कर रही थी, हमारी सहयोगी दीपाली इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई हैं कि तमिलनाडु की जो जनता है, आपको बता दें कि सौंदराजन है वोट कास्ट करने के लिए पहुंची है। फिलहाल दीपाली आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि तमिलनाडु की जो जनता है उनके दिमाग में क्या कुछ इशू रहेगा जिसे लेकर वो वोट कास्ट करने पहुंचेंगे। अगर की इशूज की बात करें तमिलनाडु की तो वो क्या है, वो भी आप लोगों को बताइए।
Well, Shweta, Tamil Nadu is a state which is voting in a single phase, which is today. All 39 seats are voting in a single phase, that is today. It's a three-way contest primarily. The DMK, which is led by CM Stalin, of course. BJP, we can say led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They are banking on anti-incumbency, if I can say so. And of course, the AIA-DMK, which has seen some decline in their popularity. For now, let's discuss the key poll issues that voters will have in mind when they go out to vote today. Number one, of course, the floods. The state gets inundated every monsoon season. Time and again, floods in Tamil Nadu. In fact, even in their capital, Chennai, they have grabbed headlines for all the wrong reasons. There is a major issue with the drainage system in Chennai. I have lived there. I have seen the reality on the ground. The state gets flooded every monsoon season. So let's move on to the next issue that Tamil Nadu voters will have. Floods is one thing that, and precisely like I mentioned, the DMK has faced criticism for failing to manage the floods. Their drainage system, like I said, has issues that need to be bettered. Let's move on to the next issue that voters in Tamil Nadu will have in mind. 16 NEET aspirants have died by suicide in 2023 itself. That's 1 year. In 2023 alone, 16 NEET aspirants. So the NEET suicides are another thing that the nation continues to discuss after JEE suicides, of course. So that is one more thing that the people will have in mind. Then DMK in its manifesto has vowed to abolish NEET. That, of course, we know that DMK has vowed to abolish the exam in its manifesto. So they are trying to get their votes in their favor by promising to abolish NEET, of course. Kachativu Islands, of course, something that Prime Minister Modi has raked up very recently in his election campaigning when he went in Tamil Nadu. So this, of course, the BJP, they have turned it into a poll issue just before the polls. In fact, just 2 weeks before this has been raked up. A lot of us did not know about Kachativu. Is only when Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked about it. Fisherman community, of course, being a coastal area, Tamil Nadu, a large coast it has. So fisherman community, they have a significant voter base of the DMK. Well, back to you, Shweta.
बिल्कुल दीपाली, आपका शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। तो जो जनता है, आपको बता दें आमतौर पर क्या कुछ समस्या है उनकी, क्या उनके दिमाग में रहेगा, उसे लेकर वोट डालने जाएंगे। ले चलते सीधे कार्तिक चिदम्बरम का क्या कुछ कहना है, वो सुन लेते हैं सबसे पहले।
Wrongly targeted the I don't think, I mean, he can give it as many spin as he wants. Yeah. But the fact is that there has been a clear quid pro quo established with electoral bonds and the donations which the BJP has get. In fact, I'm demanding an independent inquiry by 3 retired Supreme Court judges to go into the quid pro quo with the electoral bonds.
So he said that by targeting electoral bonds, but whatever happened, they pushed people into black money.
No, nothing of that sort. I mean, the point is the electoral bonds does not clean up the electoral system. It is a clear quid pro quo, cash for, bonds for favor system, which has gotten exposed, and I'm glad the Supreme Court exposed it.
So BJP is saying that they will have double-digit vote share, sir, this time.
Everybody can fantasize, so can you.
Yeah. Amit Shah says he learned Tamil, sir. Next
Good.
time.
I look forward to him giving a speech in Tamil. He should come to Sivaganga and give a speech in Tamil. I look forward to that.
तो ये तस्वीरें आ रही हैं तमिलिसाई, आपको बता दें वोट कास्ट करने के लिए पहुंची है, पूरी प्रक्रिया चल रही है। दक्षिण भारत हो, उत्तर भारत हो, तमाम जो दिग्गज नेता हैं वो सुबह ही मतदान केंद्रों पर पहुंच रहे हैं वोट डालने के लिए। तो सीधी तस्वीरें इस समय आपको बता दें, तमिलनाडु की सभी 39 सीटों पर आज जो पहला चरण है, पहला फेज है, उसी में वोटिंग की प्रक्रिया आज खत्म हो जाएगी। यानी तमिलनाडु की सभी सीटों पर आज चुनाव जो है वो खत्म हो जाएगा। ये तस्वीरें भी सामने आई पी चिदम्बरम की, जो अब से थोड़ी देर पहले उन्होंने अपना वोट कास्ट किया, और धीरे धीरे हम आपको दिखाएंगे वो तमाम झलकियां कि जो आम जनता है, ये तो नेतागढ़ हुए, दिग्गज नेता हुए, लेकिन आम जनता में कैसा उत्साह देखने को मिल रहा है वो भी हम आपको दिखाएंगे। कितनी भीड़ है, कैसे लोग पहुंच रहे हैं।